Hey guys, do you want to edit this type of video?
Olha a mensagem.
Don't worry, I will teach you. First, take a screenshot of your car clip. Then remove the background of the screenshot. After that, open ibispaint application. Create a new project. Import the background remove image. Then click here. After that, go to FX option. Go to Artistic menu. Click on Shear Circle Effect. After this, save your image. Now open CapCut application. Then import your car clip. Now split the clips and add a trending music. Now add beats on music. Now arrange your clips with the music. Now import your normal background remove image. And also import your image which you have edited by ibispaint application. Now add your normal background remove image on the timeline. Now carefully watch my steps. Now add the shaking effect. Now create shaking transition effect. If you don't know how to create shaking transition effect, then you can visit this video. I have pasted the link on the description. Now copy this image and replace with the ibispaint edited image. Now add an effect called gentle ripples on the ibispaint edited image.
Olha a mensagem.